There's something about kimchi fried rice that just feels right. Savory, a little tangy, and deeply comforting. Welcome to Joy's Seoul table. Today, we are making kimchi fried rice. Start by slicing the green onion and separating the white and green parts. Dice the spam into small pieces. Cut the kimchi into bite-sized pieces using scissors. Then add gochugaru, sugar, soy sauce, oyster sauce, ketchup, mayonnaise, and black pepper. The mayonnaise adds a subtle richness, so give it a good mix and set it aside. Heat a pan over medium heat and add the oil. Start with the white part of the green onion and minced garlic and cook until fragrant. Add the spam and cook until lightly browned. Then add the kimchi and stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes until slightly caramelized. Add cold rice. Cold rice gives you the best texture when stir frying. If the rice is clumpy, add a small splash of water to loosen it as you mix. Break it up and stir fry until everything is evenly coated. Turn up the heat, add the sesame oil, and give it a quick mix. And that's it. Plate it up, finish with fried eggs. Top with sesame seed and the remaining green onions. Enjoy! I will see you at Joy's Seoul table.